Dispatch. So we have made it to Orlando. We drove that. Daddy drove. I don't know what they out there doing. Everybody inside. I haven't even stepped foot inside yet because we had an issue getting in. The maintenance man just had to come and let us in. Lord Jesus. Dispatch. So now the alarm is going off here. So now close the back door, Tracy. I don't know. Close the back door. Alright. Peach Patch. So we just checked in. Say hey. There go my mom. So it was a lot of issues. The door code didn't work. That was a stressor. The maintenance man came by, let us in, and now we're in. The alarm goes off. Another stressor. But it was a security alarm for the pool to let you know one of the kids had went back. Or somebody, not kids. Somebody had went back by the pool. I haven't stepped foot in here. Everybody in here picking out rooms and stuff. I ain't even been in here. So let's go. All right, Peach Patch. So when you first walk in, this is an 8-bedroom house. This is what you see. Hey, husband. Oh, so this is room number 1. My parents are claiming this one possibly. Bedroom number 1. Walk-in closet.
Room number 1.
Oh, sorry. That's what they claiming. I haven't even toured yet. Over here is the garage. And they got these little game tables. Everybody getting their stuff out the trunk. McINTYRE, get in here. Over here we have the kitchen. Here we have the kitchen. Your PS5 should have been inside of the game. This is the little dining area, and then over here a little breakfast look. Yes. Yeah, those are knives. Don't touch the knives. Then back here, this is the living room. I love the glitter wall. That is so cute. Over here we have a pool. It's a small pool. It ain't as big as the pool when my family rented the Airbnb together, but it has a jacuzzi with it. The back patio is humongous. I'll go out there in a second. Over here is another bedroom that people were saying I should get. I don't know yet. I haven't toured the whole house to pick a room. It got 2 nightstands, a his closet, a her closet. His and hers, or hers and his, or his and his. Ooh, I like the bathroom. It got a big old tub, and then it has a shower. Yep, it got a tub choice. And then a throne room. That's nice. Yep, double sinks. This is really nice. So we might take this one because you can walk out straight to the pool. My husband said it's the best pool. I mean room. Okay. So now we're going to walk upstairs and see what's going on up there. The kids supposed to be picking out rooms and stuff. My oldest son said he picked out a room and his brother and cousin them was getting mad about it. And I'm like, boy, it's your birthday. So you pick whatever room you want. I am. Mommy. Huh? Oh, take a road trip? We're talking about renting a stretch. So now we're going to walk upstairs from the first floor. Y'all got to remember drill coming tomorrow. Okay, we letting Gregory pick whatever room he want because it's Gregory's birthday. So make sure, McKay, you got the room that you want. He said it was arguing at him about the room he wanted. This the one you want? All right, so this is the room. This is my oldest son, McKay. It's his birthday. So you get to pick what he want. Got a little TV. This is the bathroom, stand-up shower. This is nice. Okay, go potty in one of the bathrooms. That's my little cousin Quiz. Let's get out the closet. Closet. McKay, you gonna be like CJ so cool and hang up your drip? Huh? Hang up your drip. I can't wait till we own a big house like that. It's coming very soon. My brother he's taking this out.
I'm getting out of St. George. You're gonna get that room with the shed bathroom with car and grid.
All right, so this is the room my sister's gonna sleep in tomorrow. Why you wanna sleep in here tonight and then move? My sister not coming till tomorrow. She had to work. And then this is the bathroom. Or you could just keep it. Why you want to keep it?
Because she don't want to sit in the bathroom with the boys. You know, people coming.
Oh, okay.
Come look at my room.
Let me see.
Come look at our room.
So this is supposed to be an 8-bedroom. I've seen 4 rooms so far, so we still got 4 more to go. This another room? So this another room. Oh, it got Jack and Jill bathrooms. So.
This is your room.
No, this isn't ours. And then this is the loft area. It's huge. It don't got no pool table like when my family rented a house, but it's a huge loft. And it got ping pong downstairs. Oh, wow. So, Peach Patch, it came with a PS5. Everybody brought their own PS5s, and the house came with a PS5. That's crazy, dog.
That's crazy.
Oh, he lying. All right, Peach Patch. So, next, we got the room the kids are saying they're going to share, because it's no own room. We gotta figure this out.
And look, Auntie.
Okay, that's your toothbrush, EJ? That's nice. They got a little sports theme, a shared bathroom. Gorgeous. And then when you walk out, it got a room for a girl. Gorgeous said this is her princess room. Oh, it's so cute. It really looks like princess. So in here is no twin beds. It's like just one bed throughout the whole house. That's the issue. But Poo Poo can sleep here with Gorgeous. They can share this room. Gorgeous ain't gonna sleep here anyway. She gonna sleep with us. In real life, my kids probably gonna all sleep in the bed with me. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rooms upstairs, and then 2 rooms downstairs. I don't let them work out the room situation up here. I don't care. As long as my brother got a room, my son picked the room he want. Everybody else good. They can pick whatever they want. My parents gonna be downstairs. We're gonna be downstairs by the pool. So yeah, this is perfect. Go ahead and comment down below if you are liking the location. Well, not location. If you are liking how this house looks. I like the decoration in here. The decorating, the little features, it looks really, really good. And a second, baby, we can go outside. Yeah, me and Daddy gonna sleep here.
If I sit outside a little bit, I will sit outside.
Me, this is really, really nice, but I cannot wait until we purchase a house and live like this every day. Like, when I said I want a house, I want it to look something similar to this. I want it big. I say 8 bedrooms would be perfect for us, so all my children could get their own room, even though they're going to still sleep in my bed. Peach Patch, now we're about to go outside. The alarm goes off. You got to hit this button to acknowledge that it's okay. Oh, it came with a PS4? So, it really came with a PS4. It's probably in the drawer, babe. All right, Peach Patch, so when we walk out, is that a pool bathroom? So this is the bathroom for the pool.
How you turn the jacuzzi?
This is living, y'all. I can't wait to live like this. It's the pool bathroom. You know, if you ever have a pool party, you want your guests to come in your house, they can come right here and not track up your floor, etc. Look at my kids. House did come with the fence to keep the kids out. Daddy just turned on the jacuzzi. The pool is heated. It came with these 2 barbecue grills with the propane as well for the weekend if you want to barbecue. And everything over here, this is a resort. All of these homes are rental homes that you can rent for any type of occasion. Y'all could get in. Make sure it's okay with y'all parents. And then back here, you got your little greenery area, your fake grass. You got some golf holes if you want to, you know, shoot a couple balls on vacation. It's a really good look, Peach Patch. This trip is sponsored by me and my husband, but we did it all by ourselves. We just want our family to come enjoy themselves. Y'all know I normally don't do parties, but my son asked could his cousins come. They kept begging for their cousins to come, so I said, shoot, I'll just invite my mom, my nephew, my niece, and then my son wanted to bring his other cousin, and then Daddy's oldest son. Houses with the big balconies like that you can sit on the back, those are like the 14 bedrooms. My big baby, hello. Your first Orlando vacation. Are you excited? Well, my parents really out here playing ping pong. I was going to go to the store and buy stuff, and then my brother reminded me that we live in our luxurious life this vacation. He like, just Instacart. So that's what we about to do. Hit her like you like, hit her like you like, for your girl. You like my pictures, hit her like you like. You like my videos, hit her like you like. You ain't no hater, hit her like you like. You getting paper, hit her like you like. Go like, let's go. Like to the 4. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like he like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like he like and send that love my way. Like, let's go. Like, follow. Like, hit her like, hit her like he like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like, rock with a like. To the left, to the right, go like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. Hit her like it like. Hit her like. For your girl, take it back to the like. From the left to the right, go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right, go like. Africa go like. Worldwide go like. I hope y'all like this sound. Yeah, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.